It's me, and I'm telling you how far my first aid kit's going. I'm in Left 4 Dead stuff. Oh, I have been a while. But I'm working on this first aid kit by Plexi States. I was trying to make a walkthrough because he wouldn't. But, now I don't have to because he said he was. But I'm going to try to make it, and I'm going to show you updates. When I finish it, I'll show it, and I'll try to show you how to make it. But, I need to tape these together, the Tupperware, because I can't do that where they're moving back and forth. But, yeah, my parents told me that hot glue would melt the thing, the plastic Tupperware. So I don't know what I should use, like glue or, so I don't really know. So yeah. Yeah, so, look at my McDonald's shirt. I just got used to it. Anyway, that's something else with supplies, but you don't need the lids. You only need one of these things. Mainly for the letters and stuff. Easy as heck. Yeah. The cloth, I had a measure. Okay, for the square, I used a 4" by 4", and that I just cut, the size. It'd be should be some ends cut off of each side, there. Okay. But I don't know if you glue it or what. I'm going to try gluing it tonight, and if it works, I'm going to show you it and give a review on it. It's the only replica on YouTube. That one. This is probably going to be the second one. So, yeah.